Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change the created and modified date of any file. And the best part is you don't need any extra software. We'll just use Google Drive. First, let's check the original file. Find the file you want, then right-click on it and choose Get Info. A small window will pop up showing details about the file. Here you'll clearly see two important fields, the date created and the date modified. Keep these in mind because we'll compare them later. Now open Google Drive. Once you're inside, click on the New button in the top left corner, then select File Upload. Choose the same file we just checked. You'll see Google Drive start uploading it. And once it's finished, the file will appear in your drive. Next, we're going to download it back. Hover over the file, click the three dots and select Download. Google Drive will quickly scan the file for viruses and then the download will start. After the file finishes downloading, go to your Downloads folder. Right-click on the newly downloaded file and once again choose Get Info. Now look at the created and modified dates. You'll notice they are different from the original file. That's because when the file was downloaded from Google Drive, macOS treated it as a brand new file and assigned new timestamps. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Mac tips.